Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. To, this is the last week of our summer school program, and today we're going to be talking about summer. So we're going to read a story called Counting on Summer. Before we get started though, everybody was given a vocabulary board in this week's packet. So if you want to take that out so that you have all the details in our story right in front of you while we're reading. So just quickly, I'm going to review some of the things that we can find on our vocabulary board. So the first picture we have sunny, 4th of July, hot, flip-flops, sunglasses, swim, bathing suit, shorts, food, drinks, sports, vacation, August, beach, family, and then this bottom row is a way to help you communicate. You can point to repeat that. So maybe you didn't hear everything on that page and you want the page reread to you. You could say repeat that. I like that. I don't like that. I don't know. Or I need a break. So if you need a break, that's okay. Just let your family member know that you need a break. So we're going to use this vocabulary board throughout our reading to help us maybe talk about things that we like, we don't like, and just different details in our story. So back to our title page, we're going to be reading Counting on Summer by Krista Joy. And Krista Joy is the author. She wrote the words in our story. Just a few more days and I will be playing in the sun. Counting on summer can be fun. 10 kids jump in the pool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 kids jump in the pool. 9 pairs of sunglasses are pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 pairs of flip-flops lined up by the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 popsicles. I couldn't eat one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are some cool looking popsicles. 6 beach balls ready for play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 seagulls enjoy the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 baskets ready for the park. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 kids will play until dark. 1, 2, 3. 2 pink seashells I will save. 1, 2. 1 surfer catching a wave. 1. I can't wait, summer is almost here. But going back to school I will not fear. So now looking at our vocabulary board, in our story there were many details that were on our vocabulary board. So I'm going to pick one, maybe two. So I remember flip-flops being one of the details in our story. It said 8 pair of flip-flops lined up by the door. So you could tell me, do you like flip-flops? I like that or I don't like that. Do you like to wear flip-flops? I know I do. I like that. I like wearing flip-flops. I could also go back and look at all the colors of flip-flops I see. We have greens and blues and pink and gray and brown. Which one's your favorite? I think I like these blue ones here. You could point to your favorite color of flip-flop. Another detail in our story was sunglasses. 9 pairs of sunglasses are pretty cool. So remember, we usually wear sunglasses to keep the sun out of our eyes. And in the summer, there's a lot of sun, so you might need sunglasses. I know I like to wear sunglasses, especially when I'm outside, especially when I'm driving. So sunglasses, that was another detail in our story. Do you wear sunglasses? You could say, I like that, or I don't like that. I do wear sunglasses, so I'll say, I like that. All right, so for today's activity, we are doing a summer circle map, and we did a similar activity to this when we did our watermelon unit. So we have 10 different pictures, and not all of the pictures have to do with summer. So we need to figure out which pictures have to do with summer. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to cut out. Once you cut out, you can unpause the video and get started with us. So remember summer. Remember our book that we just read. So our first word is sunny. Is sunny something that we think of when we think of summer? Yes, the sun is bright and shiny. In the summer especially. Our next word is 4th of July. So the 4th of July is celebrated on July 4th. And we know that July is a summer month. So yes, 4th of July would go in our circle map for summer. Next we have hot. The temperature in the summer is usually hot because of the sun shining, right? We might be a little bit sweaty in the summer when we're outside and it's hot outside. So hot will go in our circle. Our next word is flip-flops. Flip-flops. So we talked about that as one of our details in our story. And if that was one of our details in our story, and our story was about summer, we must wear flip-flops in the summer, or some people wear flip-flops in the summer. Our next word, sunglasses. So this was another detail that we talked about in our story. And sunglasses, you usually wear them because of the sun, right? And the sun is out a lot more in the summer. So that is something that we'll see in the summer, sunglasses. Our next word is swim. Swim. Do you go swimming in the summer? Yes, very good. Our next word is Halloween. Do we celebrate Halloween in the summer? So Halloween is in the month of October. So that is not a summer word. How about popsicle? If we go back to our story, we can see here 7 popsicles. So yes, popsicle will go in our circle map. Beach. Have any of you been to the beach in the summer? That's when most people go to the beach, is in the summer. So yes, beach would go in summer. Our next word is freezing. So you can see this picture, the person is cold, they're shivering. Brr, freezing. Are we usually freezing in the summer? No, remember we're hot in the summer, usually. So we're gonna put this one over here because that does not go in our circle map. Our next picture is bathing suit. So we talked about swimming in the beach. And if you're swimming or going to the beach, you probably need your bathing suit. So we're going to glue bathing suit in the summer circle map. Next we have Christmas. I love Christmas, but is Christmas in the summer? Think about what do you see on the ground during Christmas usually? Usually we would see snow. And it does not snow in the summer, so that is not going to go in our circle map. Our next word is shorts. Do you wear shorts in the summer? Maybe look at what you're wearing right now. I'm wearing shorts. So we're going to put shorts for our summer circle. Our next word, watermelon. We talked a lot about watermelon during our first and second week of summer school. So yes, watermelon is definitely a summer fruit. Remember, it grows in the summer. August. So August is the month right now. We just started a new month, and the new month is August, and it's still summertime. So August goes in our summer circle map. Our next word is snowman. So we need snow to build a snowman. Is there any snow outside? No. Is it cold outside? Nope. So snowman is not one of the words that we're going to put in our summer circle map. Our next word is strawberry. So strawberries grow in the summer. They are a fruit that grow in the summer. Strawberry. Baseball game. So I know right now there might not be many baseball games going on, but baseball is a sport that takes place in the summer. So go ahead and glue baseball in the summer circle. Our next word is butterfly. Have you seen any butterflies outside? I have. So butterflies is something that we see in the summertime. And our last word is a bumblebee. So bumblebees are only around in the summer. Bumblebees. So some of our summer words are sunny, hot, 4th of July, swim, bathing suit, flip-flops, sunglasses, shorts, watermelon, popsicles, beach, August, strawberry, baseball, butterfly, and bumblebee. These are all different summer words. All right, so great job today, guys. And tomorrow we're going to read the same story but do a different activity. Have a great Tuesday.